Create conduit elements with ARCHLine.XP 2025. From now on, you can not only place the electrical switches and their connections with lamp and electrical outlets, but also add the electrical conduit plan to your documentation. Create the MEP Conduit plan in your project and send the detailed documentation to your clients. Place the electrical switchboard on the garage wall. Connect it to the 2 motion detectors in the building. You can choose between rigid and flexible conduit styles. Place a rigid conduit and run it up to the upper level. When you use rigid conduits, it is impossible to flex them, thus you need to use electrical boxes at the L turns. In ARCHLine.XP, they are automatically added to the conduit, so you just have to draw its path. You can not only place conduits on the floor plan, but in the 3D view as well. Now let's place a flexible electrical conduit in the project. Select the starting point of the conduit and set the reference plane. If you don't find the right starting point, adjust the viewing angle in the 3D view. Add the length of the conduit and create an L turn into the path. You can set a new plane at any point of the drawing process. Now we adjust the placement of the conduit so it will run into the motion detector. Offset the horizontal part of the conduit so it touches the wall. Extend the length of the conduit so it touches the motion detector. This is how easy it is to plan a conduit system in ARCHLine.XP 2025.